Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. If you are new to this channel, please do not forget to hit that red subscribe button and don't forget to hit the notification bell so you will be notified on every video that I upload, you guys. I try to upload at least once a week, so you don't want to miss out. If you are a returning subby, you know I appreciate you. Thank you so much for coming back and watching another video. And if you are a new subscriber, thank you so much for subscribing to this channel. I really am grateful that you are here today. Alright, so if you are watching on this video and you clicked on it, you know that this is a short review on my cosmetics that I got from Makeup Addiction. Okay, you guys, Makeup Addiction is a black owned makeup company based in the UK, and again, I wanted to showcase more black owned companies on my channel. It's not just for Black History Month in February. Black History Month is every month, so yeah, I wanted to showcase more black owned companies because I tend to use a lot of them on a regular basis, like Juvias Place. I use Lena lashes, colored Raine. I just use a ton of them all the time. Oh, Beauty Bakerie, I use Beauty Bakerie as well. So yeah, I just wanted to continue showcasing more black owned companies, so you can go ahead and check them out. All information that I discuss in this video will be listed down below, so don't forget to check that out, as well as some other little goodies and information for you. Okay, so you guys, my box of goodies from Makeup Addiction came in this purple container, and I'm going to insert an unboxing of everything that I have, and I'm also going to show you some swatches of some colors as well. So I just want to show you some of the things that it came with. So it came with Makeup Addiction lashes, and it's Flamin' Love palette, it has the names on the back. It came with a fan brush and a blending brush, light reflecting loose highlighter, and the Valentine pigment. Okay, so the look that I have on today, you guys, the eyes that I have on today is with Makeup Addiction. And what I did, I'm sorry that I'm not going to show how I actually applied it, but what I did is I used Savannah Desert, which is, what color is that? I used Savannah Desert, which is this color, as a transition color. Alright, and then I also used Eden, which is this pretty pink color, on my lids, on my mobile lids. Now, this company, you guys, let me just tell you a little bit about the shipping and about how this went about. The shipping did not take long at all. It took within 2 weeks. Again, I'm in the United States and it was coming from the UK, so it took like within 2 weeks. It did not take a long time. Let me explain exactly what I got. Okay, so I got the GlamBox one. Everything that I just shared with you is the GlamBox one. It's a big savings of 30% off, which includes the Flamin' Love palette, the multitasker brush, the expert blending brush, the Valentine pigment, the Turkish Delight highlighter, and the lashes, you guys. And all of this was for 72 pounds. But I believe they have a sale right now going on for 40 pounds. And I don't know the conversion, but I know that, of course, I paid more. I think I paid like $69 for everything. And so what I plan on doing with this, you guys, is I plan on keeping the eyeshadow palette. Okay, so I can use it for myself. But as far as everything else, oh, I'm sorry, I'm also going to keep the blending brush because I need a good blending brush. But as far as the fan brush, the lashes, the pigments, and the highlight, the loose highlight, I'm going to put that aside for my upcoming giveaway. I am close to reaching my 1K subby milestone, you guys. And I am just compiling all the goodies makeup related. I have some hair related items that I want to put together and give in a huge giveaway when I reach that milestone. So the items that I'm going to put in my giveaway, I have not opened them, okay? So I don't want you to think that I've opened them and used them at all. Oh, snappity snap. Okay, this is the loose pigment. This pigment is intense. So, if you are watching this video again and you are not subscribed to my channel, go ahead and smash that subscribe button, you guys, okay? Help me reach my goal. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions about makeup addiction or anything else, go ahead and leave them down below. Alright, you guys, I'll see you later.
I do the beat, I give the beat, oh. Fireboy, they are so. Minz.